Lesson 43. Worksheets. Overview. This lecture will guide students through sample worksheets designed to outline the requirements for an advertisement campaign for a specific product or service. The focus will be on creating a benefit list and identifying the most crucial benefits through discussions with individuals not affiliated with the business. Benefit list. List the benefits of your product or service below. Mark 2 or 3 as the most important benefits. To validate these choices, engage in conversations with individuals outside your business and employees. Identify the key benefit with an exclamation mark. Most important benefits, mark with a bullet. 3. Key benefit, mark with an exclamation mark after validation. 1. By completing this worksheet, you'll gain a clearer understanding of the primary benefits associated with your product or service, allowing for a more targeted and effective advertising campaign. Demographics of your target. Fill in any characteristics that are important to your target's relationship to you or your product. Leave blank if unimportant. 1. Age range. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 2. Gender. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 3. Income level. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 4. Education level. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 5. Occupation. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 6. Geographic location. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 7. Marital status. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 8. Family size. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 9. Interests, hobbies. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 10. Buying habits. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 11. Media consumption habits. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 12. Technological proficiency. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 13. Cultural background. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 14. Lifestyle choices. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. 15. Values, beliefs. Important. Fill. Unimportant. Leave blank. Additional notes. Include any other characteristics or notes that are crucial for understanding your target audience. Target's media usage. This worksheet will provide insights into your target audience's media usage. Please fill in the blanks with the relevant information. 1. Primary source of information. Fill in the primary source where your target audience seeks information. 2. Favorite social media platforms. List the social media platforms most favored by your target audience. 3. Preferred news channels, platforms. Specify the news channels or platforms your target audience relies on. 4. Entertainment choices, TV shows, movies, music. Provide details on the types of TV shows, movies, and music genres preferred. 5. Reading habits, books, magazines, online articles. Indicate the reading preferences of your target audience. 6. Preferred devices for consuming media. Specify the devices your target audience uses for media consumption, e.g., smartphones, tablets, laptops. 7. Internet usage patterns. Describe how often and for what purposes your target audience uses the Internet. 8. Radio listening habits. If applicable, mention the radio stations or types of programs your target audience tunes into. 9. Outdoor media exposure. Note if your target audience engages with outdoor media such as billboards, posters, etc. 10. Podcast preferences. If relevant, specify the types of podcasts your target audience enjoys. 11. Gaming habits. Describe the gaming preferences of your target audience. 12. Event attendance, concerts, expos, etc. Indicate whether your target audience attends events and the types of events they prefer. 13. Email, newsletter subscriptions. Specify if your target audience subscribes to specific emails or newsletters. 14. Social activities, clubs, meetups. Describe any social activities or groups your target audience participates in. 15. Communication preferences, text, call, email. Specify how your target audience prefers to communicate. Completing this worksheet will help you understand where and how your target audience consumes media, enabling you to craft a more targeted and effective advertising strategy. Targets purchasing habits. This worksheet is designed to help you understand the purchasing habits of your target audience or market. Please fill in the blanks with relevant information. 1. Frequency of purchases. Specify how often your target audience makes purchases related to your product or service. 2. Preferred shopping locations. List the places where your target audience prefers to shop, e.g., online, retail stores, specific platforms. 3. Influence of reviews and recommendations. Indicate how much reviews and recommendations influence the purchasing decisions of your target audience. 4. Brand loyalty. Describe the level of brand loyalty your target audience exhibits. 5. Factors influencing purchase decisions. List the key factors that play a role in influencing the purchase decisions of your target audience. 6. Online shopping preferences. Specify if your target audience prefers online shopping and the platforms they commonly use. 7. Preferred payment methods. Indicate the preferred payment methods of your target audience, e.g., credit cards, digital wallets, cash. 8. Response to promotions and discounts. Describe how your target audience responds to promotions, discounts, and special offers. 9. In-store versus online shopping. Highlight whether your target audience prefers in-store shopping or online shopping. 10. Shopping motivations. Identify the motivations that drive your target audience to make purchases. 11. Impulse purchases. Specify if your target audience is prone to making impulse purchases. 12. Seasonal purchase patterns. Describe any seasonal trends or patterns in the purchasing behavior of your target audience. 13. Brand switching habits. Indicate whether your target audience tends to switch between brands or remains loyal to one. 14. Post-purchase engagement. Describe how your target audience engages with your brand after making a purchase. 15. Preferred customer service channels. Specify the channels through which your target audience prefers to seek customer service, e.g., phone, chat, email. Understanding the purchasing habits of your target audience is crucial for tailoring your marketing and advertising strategies to meet their preferences and expectations. Benefits your target seeks. Competitor analysis. This worksheet is designed to gather information about your most important competitor. Please fill in the blanks with relevant details. 1. Competitor's name. Provide the name of your most important competitor. 2. Competitor's products, services. List the key products or services offered by the competitor. 3. Competitor's market share. Estimate or provide information about the competitor's market share. 4. Competitor's target audience. Describe the target audience that your competitor focuses on. 5. Competitor's unique selling proposition, USP. Identify the unique selling points or value propositions that set your competitor apart. 6. Competitor's marketing strategies. Describe the marketing strategies employed by your competitor, e.g., advertising channels, promotions, branding. 7. Competitor's strengths. Highlight the strengths or advantages that your competitor has in the market. 8. Competitor's weaknesses. Identify any weaknesses or vulnerabilities that your competitor may have. 9. Competitor's pricing strategy. Describe the pricing strategy adopted by your competitor. 10. Competitor's distribution channels. Specify the distribution channels through which your competitor makes its products or services available. 11. Customer reviews and feedback. Summarize customer reviews or feedback about your competitor's products or services. 12. Areas where your product, service outperforms the competitor. Highlight aspects where your product or service has a competitive advantage. 13. Areas where your competitor outperforms your product, service. Acknowledge areas where your competitors' offerings may have a competitive edge. 14. Opportunities to differentiate. Identify potential opportunities for your product or service to differentiate itself from the competitor. 15. Threats posed by the competitor. List any threats or challenges that the competitor poses to your business. Analyzing your competitor provides valuable insights for refining your own strategies, understanding market dynamics, and identifying areas for improvement or differentiation. Your competition in general. This worksheet is designed to help you identify and analyze your competition in a specific category. Fill in the following details. Top of form. My competitive category.